5 little monkeys jumping on the bed, laughing loud and dancing, nothing to dread. One slipped down and bumped his head. Mama said softly, go to bed instead. 4 little monkeys still full of cheer, jumping and giggling without any fear. One fell down with a tiny cry. Mama said sleep time, my, oh my. 3 little monkeys jumping with fun, rolling and bouncing one by one. One fell down and rubbed his knee. Mama said no more jumps for thee. 2 little monkeys jumping around, thumpity-thump and a funny sound. One fell down, sleepy and sore. Mama said bedtime, no jumping anymore. 1 little monkey yawned and sighed, climbed in bed and cuddled inside. Mama kissed him, turned off the light. All little monkeys slept